Love is my master. I am its slave. My heart and my soul I openly gave. Just like a river flows down one way, when shall it return? I dream of that day. When this miracle happens, my flowers shall grow on fields of cement covered in snow. They say I am foolish. Along with my dream, each blue petal shall flow gently upstream. Both flagrancy and beauty I must passionately taste. This blue rose I admire. With my heart I have chased. She defies nature. Her name is past rare. Our love and lives I wish we could share. I've waited so long for my blue rose to bloom. Each day that passes, a petal of hope I sadly consume. A simple flower, that's all it shall take, for another soul to smile and work, whether for lust, love or passion, or sympathy and compassion. Spring tulips, charity, and delphiniums, peaceful charity. Our intentions, flowers deserve. We don't hesitate with those who deserve. A mother's priceless expression and a lover's honest obsession. When searching for words, flowers we share. Like 1,000 sweet poems, they show that we care. Hey, it's so surprising how life and nature are similar concepts, because nature is the study of how life acts and interacts within the circle of existence. When we take the time to examine the beauty of the world around us and are able to see parallels within our own lives, one who is attended with nature is attended with the practice of living. All of nature moves in a spiral, as do our personal lives. It is important to spend time in nature because in this way we can become attended to its wisdom. On the other hand, when we ignore the beauty of nature and spend our time in an urban jungle, our stress levels go up and we begin to feel as if we are made out of the concrete that we see all around us. It is often said beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, but many people mistakenly believe that to refer only to people. Natural beauty comes in many forms, and it is not about perfection, but is not tarnished by imperfections. It is defined by them. It could be in a smile or the twinkle of an eye. It could be untainted landscape or the change of the seasons.